everybody, welcome back to Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is Valentine's Day. So on Valentine's Day you might want to do your makeup special, whether you're going out with your boyfriend, girlfriend, person, friend, husband, wife, partner, or go out with their friends and celebrate that love, which is different but just as good. So today's look is going to be a pretty easy look, really pretty soft. It's a rose gold eye and kind of a, it's not really a red lip, it's more of a terracotta kind of color, which is nice, and it plays with the tones in the rose gold, and it actually suits a lot of skin tones. So feel free to adjust these tutorials, this one and all the other ones, just like take pieces of it. Anyway, thanks for joining. I hope you like the tutorial. We're gonna get started. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have Vanessa here.
Hello.
And we're not sure what we're gonna do yet.
That's the best. Be creative.
So I'm just starting with foundation, just a sheer amount on a flat foundation brush. Mostly in the center of the face, and then I'm just blending it out. I'm gonna do just a little bit of the retoucher from Charlotte's very under here. For brows, I'm using Anastasia Brow Wiz in Blonde. Just a little bit. I always like to brush through after, just to make sure it's a little bit softer. This one's just clear, since I already added so much color. Before I do eyes or anything, I'm just going to add a little bit of warmth with this leaf bronzer from Lorac. It's like nice and soft. I don't want a ton of eyeliner on the eyes, but I want just a little kick here on the outer corner. I'm gonna kind of just do a little bit like that. And then take a brush and just really and always make sure you kind of go just slightly like up toward the end of the brow, so you don't end up with your eyeshadow going down.
And that's a brush.
Yeah, it's Marc Jacobs Brownie. Should say that so I don't forget. This is Brownie pencil from Marc Jacobs.
So you can use as a pencil or eyebrows or anything.
It's an eyeliner, but sometimes I like to blend it out as an eyeshadow base.
Okay.
Especially like on the outer corner like that. Actually, I'm just going to, if you look down that way, I'm just going to put a tiny, almost like dot it on this inner corner. And then I'm literally smudging it off with my thumb. Okay. And what that does is it just slightly defines the inner corner there, so it doesn't look like you just have eyeliner on the outside.
And I just woke up.
And this color I'm putting on the lid is called Expensive Pink from MAC. It's such a pretty rose gold. Make sure you get all in that corner there. Giving that a little bit of a blend of color called Europa. Very nice. Okay, Greca, eyelash. I'm just going to do mascara on the top. This little brush is nice because, especially when you have blonde lashes, you want to get right down to the root. It's great too because even after you do that right to the root, you can come back with another mascara if you want more. I'm going to go back with the Brownie pencil and do just a teeny bit more on this outer corner. If you need to go back and clean up your eyes a little bit, time to do that. Use Sex Appeal blush from NARS. And a soft peach. This is just the powder brush I used earlier to blend the edge a little bit
And
more.
dust the house. That's the
Dust
same
the
brush.
house. Dust my shelves.
Exactly the same brush.
Everything's multi-purpose here.
Yeah.
Now usually you would want to apply all your cream products before your powder products, but if you're breaking that rule like I am right now, you don't want to rub at all. You just want to tap really gently. And just remember you can't do it if you have a ton of powder. She doesn't have a lot of powder on, so this is fine. Take this and rub your lips with it.
All of it?
Yeah.
This is good. Is it like a...
Yeah, it's called a scrub and peel wipe. They're so good for lips.
Ah.
Like right before you do a lip color, just takes all extra skin and everything.
Is it enough?
Yeah.
Fast. He's good and fast.
Let's do sort of terracotta color. Just gonna keep it a little bit softer and not use a lip liner. And if you want to wear a lipstick that way without a lip liner, it's best to actually go back with your finger and sort of actually soften the edge a little bit that way. We'll keep it from running all over the place.
382. If you don't like the makeup, just stop by and kick him. I just told your address. Should we put the hair down?
Sure.
Ready to go out.
Ready.
Feeling pretty. Thank you.
Thank you for coming.